What's up? Welcome back to Piggy Garage. If this is your first time tuning in, I appreciate your view. Just go ahead and check out some other videos on the channel. You might like them, you might not, but it's all good. Hopefully this video helps you figure out what you want. If you want to get a, today I'm doing a review of the Bissell, I hope I am pronouncing that correctly, the SpotClean ProHeat. So pretty much it is for cleaning carpets, upholstery, everything like that. I bought it for vehicles, doing the carpet of like the bottom where your footwells are. If you have cloth seats, you can use that as well. But this is the Bissell SpotClean ProHeat. It is corded. I didn't really want the cordless because sometimes those onboard batteries cause failures and don't last as long as a corded product. But pretty much it is a pretty little nifty thing here. So you fill it up depending on your load. You fill up with if you don't have much to clean. Sorry, I just got one hand here. You would fill it up with water, and then the formula in the package from Amazon. I bought this off Amazon. If you guys want to buy it, the link will be in the description of this video. But they send you a nice free thing of this Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Clean for their Bissell cleaners. So you would fill the water line up to right there. And then that much formula for a small area, large area. So like if you're doing a whole, I would say like carpet or something inside your house, you would fill it up water here and then the formula to there. So whatever the boost is. But you can pretty much use whatever cleaner you want. Today, for this purpose of this video, I am going to use the Bissell Pro cleaner right there. It goes in here. This unit heats up the water and then disposes of the dirt side there. It comes with these two nice attachments right here. This little button is for spraying the formula. And then it comes with a deep stain tool, which, oh, there it goes. It has these little rubber and Brussels, so the water goes in here, or the stain comes in here, or whatever, the dirt pulls out. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it on this Acura. I'm going to do the floor mats and the I don't know, what do you call it, passenger footwell, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with water to the small area line, and then fill it with the Bissell Oxy Pro Clean, this stuff. Just using it. I have some other cool tools or formulas and products to use for removing stains and dirt and grime out of wheel wells. Also, another thing that you would like I would suggest getting is, this is a Mother's upholstery brush. So this is like a it's like a plastic hair type deal. It's really good at getting dirt out of the rugs and floor mats, things of that such. You use the tool to spray the formula down, or use whatever formula you have. I have Wizard's upholstery cleaner that's really good at getting stains out. I'm going to do a video review of that on my channel as well. But let me fill this up and we'll get right into action inside this Acura TSX. Alright guys, so we are inside the Acura TSX. I'm going to put the seat back, but you can see how muddy and dirty this carpet is. You can take the carpet out and do it elsewhere, but I'm just going to leave it in the car for the time being. Make sure that you do vacuum the bottom of the carpet, just so you're not getting any extra dirt or anything. Here I have the Bissell. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. I filled it up to the line with water, then the formula. I'm just going to use this regular wand right here. Really nice attachment. It attaches really nicely. One thing I do like about this is everything is packed in nice and neat, so easy stowaway storage. You just turn this power button on, and it heats it up and gets it running. You can see it right there. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start this thing. I have it plugged into an extension cord. I would preferably have it closer or inside of a garage. I preferably would have it inside the garage, but for right now, the car is outside. I'm gonna get the Mother's brush to, agitate the dirt in the carpet. You guys can find this in the description below. It's like $6. It's really cheap. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the carpet down with Wizards Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. This is a good product. I'm gonna make a standalone video of this as well. But yeah, if you guys have seen my other videos, I am not stingy with product at all. I like to use a lot. Just agitate it. Agitate that dirt. And then turn the Bissell on. Spray that water down, get it nice and sprayed. You can see it spraying. See the dirt coming up. So you guys can see that.
I'm hypnotized by you. I can't do what you say. I'm hypnotized by
you. This thing is really brought that thing out. It's really fascinating to watch all the dirt and debris come up through this, vacuum. It really pulls that dirt. And there is a dirt catch can on the Bissell that I'll show you guys once I'm done with this carpet. Yeah, I mean, you guys can totally see. Let me turn this off. Ew. Look at that dirt. That's black. The water was totally, actually I need to fill it up, was like white. Like, you know how clear water is. And you can see, guys, how disgusting just that one carpet was. I'm not really done with it yet. I kind of want to get that one spot out, but just from that, guys, you can, I mean, look at that. It's like brand new. I'm gonna hit it a couple more times, just get the couple more spots out, but you guys can totally see just by all that disgusting dirt in there how well, actually I'm gonna go dump it out for you guys over here, how well this Bissell has worked. Watch this. Ew. That was all on that carpet. Phenomenal job. I'm blown away, actually. Yeah, if you guys need a nice mini tool to clean carpet, clean sofas, because I know a lot of people go in their houses, that sofa's never been cleaned. This product will totally do it for you. Heats up the water, agitates the dirt with the brush. Really nice. I am gonna fill this back up with some more water, do a little bit more, but this thing has a thumbs up for me. I for sure will not return this, and will probably buy it for some people for Christmas. A nice little a gift for some people. So let me fill this back up and we'll get back to that front carpet. Thanks. All right, guys, so I brought the carpet out of the actual car just so you guys can see it more. And you can see up here how dirty it is. I'm gonna hit this with some Wizards carpet and upholstery cleaner just to really get it moist and wet. And agitate that dirt. I mean, you can see just with the Wizards alone, it really does a good job at cleaning the dirt. Wizards, you guys know that I love Wizards bug release for getting bugs off cars. They make some really killer products. Make sure to check them out. The link to their stuff always in the description as well. You can see the dirt spots that I couldn't get to down here as well. I'm gonna hit them. Never stingy on the spray. Really agitate that dirt. Using the sprayer anymore, as the carpet's already soaked. You just want to pull all that water. As you can see, I haven't done any spray since the last couple passes, and I'm still pulling all that dirt water out. And I also like to go in different directions, guys, just to really make sure that you're getting all that dirt and stuff out. You know, go cross, diagonal, whatever you want to do. But you guys can totally see the tops. This you know, foot mat is a lot cleaner than what it started out to be, and I can totally see. So hopefully you guys can see the results that I'm seeing currently with this Bissell. All right, guys, so this is the finished product. You can do a couple more passes. The more passes you do with the Bissell, the more clean it's going to be. You can see how dirty, that's the dirt water. There's the clean water. So that's how it starts. Then it runs through the, heats up in the system with the shampoo. It mixes and everything. And then that's what's sucked out of the carpets using that tool right there. But it really took out those stains and spots. There was a couple bad ones like right here. Here's a couple that I'm probably going to hit a little bit more just because I am a perfectionist. So yeah, guys, I really like this product. Really nice. I don't know when the other camera cut out, so I had to go to my iPhone. Just a couple things that I used was the Bissell SpotClean from Amazon, the mother's upholstery brush, carpet brush, whatever you want to call it, from Amazon as well. And then Wizards carpet and upholstery cleaner. That thing does wonders. I kid you not. I love this product. If you just want to get this product alone and just use the brush, it works really well. But if you want to take it to the next level, get this Bissell. You can also use this on, inside carpet, rugs, things of that nature. But I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of this, the Acura's carpets and everything. Make sure it's really clean. Hit this a couple more times. But yeah, thumbs up for me. I really like this guy. Be sure to get yourself one, get family members one if you are interested in one, or you just want to get a review to see if it worked. It does work, that's for sure. As always, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Here's a spot that's been tricky in the house that I haven't been able to get up, so I'm just going to show you guys more of this Bissell. Same solution, same everything. I'm going to start off by spraying this little section with the Wizards product. Get it nice and wet. This is a white rug too, so we'll really be able to tell. Mother's brush. Get back and forth and agitate that dirt. Really. spray this guy some more, and then just start making my way. Actually, I'm gonna use the other utensil. We put the other utensil on, which is the deep stain tool, which is this guy. We'll see how this guy works. As this carpet is a little bit deeper, so let's see what we got here. They go back and forth, working it. Pulling that dirt out. Sorry if I'm all over the place, guys. I'm just 2 hands here. Really pulling that out. You can feel the dirt and nastiness coming up. I haven't been able to get this spot out of the rug for a long time. The dog actually came up here and peed, and I cleaned it up and wasn't able to get the stain all the way out of the carpet, so I will be really happy if this works. I mean, it's pulling up the soap, that's for sure. Yeah, so I'm gonna hit it a couple more times and then show you guys the result. So guys, you can see it's still a little bit wet. It'll dry nice, but it really did a great job at taking this the stain out. Might be a little bit still right here, but I can hit it a couple more times once it dries to really get it out. But yeah, super impressed with this Bissell right here. I mean, once again, look at how dirty that dirt is. That's black as black. And that's where the solution was. That's where the dirt is. Really cool product. I'm really happy with it. Can't wait to detail a lot of cars with this guy.